Get me mad. What?
We're all humans.
We're all human. I'm sorry. You know, I just got out of Crazy Home the other day. I don't know. I swear to God, ask all these people over here. I tried to kill somebody. What?
You tried to what?
I tried to kill somebody. You're gullible. You know that?
You're going to be proud.
I love messing with the sun. I made this stuff laugh. You're the first one that had gotten off the tree at me. So.
Well, you know, if you've ever driven out on the Abilene streets, you know, I kind of am.
Well, what are you trying to insinuate? That I'm like a streetwalker?
No.
You said if you ever drove on the Abilene streets, what are you trying to say? You gonna see me on there?
Crazy drivers like that.
Oh, you crazy drivers. Do I look like a crazy driver? Or do I just look like It's okay, Mr. Stewart. I forgiveness of you. If you
Tell me what a peninsular.
Peninsular. That's a big word, mister. I'm gonna jump.
Latin American born in Spain. It's hot in here.
Okay, well, what? That's something.